Steps to plan a successful finishing works on construction sites. Firstly, plan your work should be completed on given time. Do these things before starting your construction works. 1. Read the contract documents. 2. Understand the scope of work. 3. Consider the quantity of available resources. 4. Meet the client and thier team so you can understand thier concerns and requirements. 5. Prepare the construction schedule. 6. Put a quality control plan at workplace. 7. Set up a safety schedule with documentation. Construction finishes with thier sequence of works. 1. Cement concrete block. 2. Electrical, plumbing, firefighting. 3. Internal plastering. 4. Tiles, granite, marble. 5. Putty works. 6. Door, windows, louvers. 7. Electrical wiring, boxes fixing. 8. Plumbing sanitary. 9. Completion of snags like minor damages, scratches, incomplete works etc. 10. Primering, painting. 11. Acid wash, deep cleaning. Tests should be conducted before using these materials. For cement. 1. Fineness. 2. Soundness. 3. Consistency. 4. Setting time. 5. Compressive strength and 6. Chemical analysis. Sand. 1. Surface moisture content and absorption. 2. Silt content test. 3. Bulking of sand. 4. Sieve analysis. 5. Fineness modulus. Cement concrete block. 1. Dimensional tolerances. 2. Block density and compaction strengths. 3. Water absorption. 4. Drying shrinkage. 5. Moisture movement. After passing these tests on materials, all these items must be intended by calculating required number of quantities of each item. Calculations of cement. Portland pozzolana cement must be used for mortar mixing as it contains high binding properties and it gives good strength for construction. Calculations of cement. Following things must be known while calculating cement for mortar. Cement mortar ratio for ceiling is 1:4. Smut mortar ratio for walls is 1:6. Internal plastering thickness is 12 mm. Volume of cement mortar required equals area of plastering x thickness equals 100 x 0.012 equals 1.2 cubic meters. While preparing for mortar, quantity of dry materials taken 30% more than the quantity of mortar required. Adding 30% to 1.2 cubic meters is 1.56 cubic meters. Cement 1 part equals 1.56 divided by 1 plus 4 times 1 equals 0.312 cubic meters. As we know, volume of one cement bag equals 0.035 cubic meters. 0.312 divided by 0.035 equals 8.91 bags, approx 9 bags. Cement required for 100 sqmt area of plastering is 9 bags. Adding 30% to 1.2 cubic meters is 1.56 cubic meters. Sand 4 part equals 1.56 divided by 1 plus 4 times 4 equals 1.248 cubic meters. Usually sand is measured in sfety. As we know, 1 cubic meter equals 35.28 cft. 1.248 times 35.28 equals 44 cft. Sand required for 100 sqmt is 44 cft. Calculations of cement concrete block work. Cement concrete blocks required for 1 square meter of wall construction is 12.5 numbers, including mortar joints, including cuttings, wastages of blocks. Therefore, for 100 square meter of wall construction is 1250 number of blocks required. The required number of materials must be brought to workplace after passing all those tests. Surface preparations is done as per specifications. Get the required number of masons and laborers as per calculations of materials. The available mason for masonry work should have necessary work items like plumb bob, line dory, right angle, spirit level, tape 15 or 30 meter with him. Start with 1 meter marking should be transferred to all structured columns from FFL, finish floor level. The mortars must be mixed with mixer machine only for accurate, speedy, less wastages. If it is not available, measurements box must used of standard size of 300 x 300 x 385 whose volume is equal of 1 bag of cement, that is 0.035 cubic meters. These are the tips to follow before starting blockwork masonry layout marking. 1. GFC architectural drawings should be taken and should be checked whether the drawings are in the current revisions or ensure modifications if any are implemented. 2. Safety meeting should be conducted for laborers with engineers and safety officers at working areas, and safety work permit must be taken on site and filled before starting works. 3. All cutouts and balcony areas should be barricaded along with signage boards. Everyone must follow all safety standards properly before starting the works. 4. Structural materials, unwanted materials, exposed steel must be removed or shifted to other required areas with proper stocking. Exposed steel must be cut. 5. Housekeeping should be done with removal of dead concrete. Any stuck plyboards, bags must be removed. 6. Make sure sufficient quantity of water is available for construction works. 7. Ensure availability of power supply, mechanical, electrical equipment are working properly. 8. Ensure all laborers are fit to work.